This video will show you why innovative magnetics, pneumatic, and gravity magnetic separators excel. This view of the housing shows what we mean when we state direct product magnet contact. Here we are showing the angled flow paths for product to flow through the pneumatic magnetic separator plus magnet orientation for the product with or without iron enrichment. Also shown is the captured contamination areas, where captured contamination is protected from product flow. The gravity flow direction of product is protected similar to the pneumatic magnet, with contamination protected the same. Flow path is widened, allowing products with lumps to easily pass. Shown here are the operational features of the separators and the operator-friendly features we provide for, like easy contamination removal, magnet access, and housing design. Plus our special O-ring gaskets used on each end of the housing to prevent leaks from up to 40 psi. We understand that product and applications can change, so the magnet angles for direct contact can be mechanically adjusted in the field if required. Call us at 603-598-8300 to talk with our magnetic application specialist, and feel free to visit us online at www.innovativemag.com. Thank you for watching.